how to connect Phantom Wallet to Dexscreener. Now the first thing you need to do is head over to the Dexscreener website, and once we are on that website, we can go to the left hand side and we can look for all these different options. However, what we want to look for is the list of chains right here, and then at the top of that list we should be able to see this option which says Moonshot. So we can go ahead and click on this, and you can see we now have the option to connect our wallet in the top right corner. So in order to actually connect our wallet, we can click connect, and from there we can choose to connect our Phantom wallet by clicking Phantom. From there you will see a pop-up like this asking if you want to connect to this site, and you want to go ahead and choose to connect. Once you have done that, you would have now connected your wallet, and you can confirm that by going into the top right corner where you can see your wallet address right here. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.